In front of me is Xiaomi 13 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can manage location of this device. You need to start by opening Tab menu. Now look for location shortcut, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now blue. That means that location is enabled, but you can always disable it by tapping on the same one again. Then selecting Close in the pop-up. If you wish to, you can also go into Settings, scroll down and tap on Location section. Then click on this switcher next to Location Access to enable or disable it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!